Hello everyone, today I will explain the bridge clearance feature in the road analysis module. This feature provides measurement capabilities to determine whether vehicles can pass under a bridge safely. It also offers both manual and automatic measurement options, including the ability to export measurement reports. To start, activate the bridge clearance feature, which will open the profile window and the bridge clearance setting window. Click on 2 points on the ground in the 3D window to define the bridge profile. The profile result will be displayed in real time in the profile window. In the bridge clearance setting window, you can set parameters related to the bridge profile, interval measurement, and automatic measurement. The profile setting allows you to adjust the parameters of the selected profile region. When setting the corresponding parameters, the 3D window displays in real time. Thickness represents the selected profile region's selection thickness. Upper high refers to the height above the selected profile region. Lower high refers to the height below the selected profile region. Display profile body. If selected, the profile body will be displayed in the 3D window. If not selected, it will be hidden. Interval measurement allows you to set the interval value for measurements taken at regular intervals along the profile. Automatic measurement includes parameters for sampling length, height difference threshold, and making line span. Sample length represents the length of point cloud data extracted at the measurement position for bridge point extraction. Height difference threshold indicates that points with a height difference greater than this threshold are considered as ground, which helps in identifying bridge points. Marking line span represents the spacing between measurement lines for automatic measurements. Once you have set the parameters, you can proceed with the calculations. If you accidentally close the bridge clearance setting window, you can reopen it by clicking on the settings button in the profile window. Clicking on Start Editing allows you to perform manual measurements. There are 3 modes available: single measure, double measure, and interval measure. Single measure allows you to obtain measurements by clicking on any point on the bridge or the ground. Double measure requires clicking on one point, followed by another point on the opposite elevation to obtain measurements. Interval measure involves clicking on a starting point and then moving the mouse to determine the final position. Clicking again confirms the endpoint, and measurements are generated at regular intervals. If you need to redo measurements, activate the Delete Measure function and select the measurements you want to remove. To start fresh, click on Clear Measurement to remove all existing measurements. Alternatively, you can perform automatic measurements based on the interval value you set. Clicking on the Automatic Measure button will automatically identify bridge and ground points and provide measurements results according to the specific parameters. Note that if bridge or ground identification fails, only double measure will be available. After completing the measurements, you can save the results to the project directory or export them as a text file. The software also supports saving the result in a report format. By selecting the Export Report option from the drop-down menu next to the bridge clearance, you can choose a location and name for the report file. Once saved, you will be prompted to open the report, which consists of a header, table of contents, and specific content. You can click on the section numbers in the table of contents to navigate through the report. The specific contents section includes graded storage of each analysis result, including input parameters, result images, and information. Measurement parameters record the parameters used in the measurement. Result images display the measurement results. Finally, the analysis result list provides details such as line number, measurement mode, corresponding parameters, coordinates, heights, and maximum/minimum heights. That concludes the introduction to the bridge clearance feature. Thank you all for watching.